In this video, I'll show you what to do if your display lights that are over here on your HP Envy printer are not lighting up. So you can't control, you can make copies, you can do anything. So what to do? Well, the first thing is make sure the printer is actually turned on. There's a power button over here and you just need to press it. Keep it pressed at least 2 seconds and then wait a minute till the printer is completely turned on. If still after doing this there's absolutely no light over here and the printer is in sleep mode like right now with this small light, what you can do is to keep this I button pressed during 3 seconds. Then the pad over here, as you saw, light up and you see all the buttons, the cancel, you can make copies and everything. If this didn't solve your issue, another thing you can do is to lift the top lid, you know, where all the cartridge are. Well, lift it and leave it like this for at least 30 seconds. And then when the time has passed, you can lower the lid. And this will also light up the control panel here, so you'll be able to use your printer afterwards. So I hope this fixed your problem. If so, please leave a like. If you have other solutions on how to fix this problem, in case this didn't work for you, but you had another solution, please type them down below in the comment section. Many people read them and I'm sure it will be helpful for somebody. So thanks for watching, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.